A pleasant day to you all. This is the Group 1 and this is our presentation in statistics. Proceeding with our problem.
Our problem is aligned with our behavioral variable, which is the number of hours spent studying days before the fourth mastery test in statistics.
Before we have formulated our problem, we undergone a process. First, we gather data from 31 students. Right after gathering data from 31 students, we then proceed upon getting the mean. We add all of the data and then divided it with the number of students. Next is getting the sample standard deviation. First is we are going to get our data and then subtract it with our mean. Then we're going to add and then get the total. After getting the total, we're going to divide the total with the number of students minus 1. Right after getting the total, we then proceed getting the square root of it, and that is our sample standard deviation. We can now identify our given. Our population mean is 7, our sample standard deviation is 1.82, our sample mean is 5.87, our n is 30, and our level of significance is 0.01. Thus, we are going to use t-test because we only have the sample standard deviation. Our claim states it became lesser, that's why our alternative uses the less than symbol, and our null is the opposite with an equal sign. Since we're using t-test, we're going to use its formula. To find the df, let us subtract 1 to the n, so our df is 30. After we substituted the formula, our t value is negative 3.46. Thus, it lies in the rejection region. Since it lies in the rejection region, let's reject the null and accept the alternative. Thus, there is enough evidence to support the claim.
The principal is right.